Are deadlines slipping and tensions rising? Crises don't define leaders. How leaders communicate during crises does. Whether it's a sudden setback, team conflict, or PR disaster, how you handle communication can make or break your team and your organization. 3 proven tips to navigate crises. 1. Communicate quickly but thoughtfully. Silence fuels fear. Address the issue promptly, even if you lack all the answers. A simple acknowledgement calms fears and empowers your team to focus on solutions. 2. Be transparent without overloading. Transparency isn't about sharing every detail. Focus on clear, actionable updates that move your team forward. Transparency builds trust, and trust is your greatest asset in a crisis. 3. Show empathy and lead with confidence. In a crisis, emotions run high. Balance empathy with decisive leadership. Acknowledge your team's feelings and provide clear direction. This inspires trust and drives action, even in tough times. Great leaders don't fear crises. They use them to lead, connect, and grow. Like, share, and follow for more insights.